Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. I'm here tonight at Woodbine Road Crossing. Just last night I caught an N782 here. Had a nice Mac as a mid-DPU. Well, today I have two surprises. So first off, we have 969 leading with a hybrid K5HLA, which should be an absolutely awesome horn to hear. A lot of people say it's really weird because it's a cross between a 3rd gen K5HLA and a 3rd gen K5HL. Sounds really weird, but really pretty. And the second surprise, most importantly, is the Old Main guys here. And yes, it's currently 1:11 in the morning. So 11:11, make a wish, but 1:11, so make half a wish, I guess. I don't know. But I'll leave you guys here, and I'll start filming again when the train arrives. Have a good night, everyone, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, it's here. $32.59, loaded coal. This thing's moving. Over 20,000 tons, over 200 cars. Should be over 11,000 feet. Of course, midnight locals providing us with lighting unintentionally. Mid-DPU should be coming up any moment. Probably in the next 15 seconds. This thing's slowing down. Here they are. 3445, 3240. Yeah, this one's going slower than the one I caught the other night. You guys should check out that video if you haven't already. That one was actually speeding. I think it had an average speed of 37. Track speed is 35. last car. Hope you enjoyed that, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed night. And leave you all here. Let's get a last final message from the old Maine guy.
I have to pee.
Hey. Just cleared Morgan.
No, East Hood.
Yeah. He might not honk.
Yeah, well.
I don't know. Well, old... He hears a train, but it's the same train. Little does he know. So he walks into the darkness. And there he goes, guys. Have a good night. I'm signing off.